Hello everyone, this is our rolling machine. You can see this machine mainly used for processing the aluminum profile after the knurling and strip feeding. For the machine features, the first point is this machine equipped with a big touch screen, so it can realize automatic control for the rolling disc and rubber roller. It can realize quick change the parameters to realize the various profile processing. The second point you can see this machine adopt a 6-wheel drive system and 6 reducer. Here is a button to change the speed of the rolling disc. Here you can see you can input your needed position, your needed parameters, and then the rolling disc and the rubber roller will be moved automatically. Here are some buttons to control the rolling disc and the rubber roller. The movement of rolling disc and the rubber roller adopt electrical control. These two buttons can control the rolling disc to up and down. These two buttons can control the rubber roller to up and down. Also, you can change. There are some adjustment tools to change these rubber rollers to meet the various profile processing. For the electrical components, you can see we adopt a snap to make sure the machine have a long service time. And also you can see this machine equipped with the display meter. You can see this display shows the height of rolling disc. This display shows the height of rubber roller. Here you can see there is a sensor. Another sensor you can see. Also you can see this machine equipped with a frequency changer to realize the stable operating. Also you can see we equipped with some hand wheels to adjust the position of rubber roller and rolling disc. This hand wheel can control the rubber roller, the height of rubber roller, and this hand wheel can control the height of the rolling disc. 没有了吧？这个。This supporting table, the height of supporting table can be adjusted. You can adjust the height by this hand wheel. It can meet the various profile processing. Okay, everyone, that's all about the knurling and rolling machine. If you have interest with our machine, you can subscribe to our YouTube account. Also, if you have any requirements, you can send us email. Thank you. Thank you, guys.